So hey, what's up mga Kokote? It's me, Ate Mariel, at welcome sa Quadernos, where learning is the name of the game. So kung bago ka pa lamang sa aming YouTube channel, i-click mo na subscribe, like, and share button para maging updated ka sa ating mga videos. So samahan natin si Super K sa panibagong araw at panibagong lesson na ating matututunan dito sa Quadernos. At ang bagong lesson natin for today is plants as food. So, before we start our lesson proper, so we have a trivia for this lesson. So, trivia for today. The largest sandcastle in the world measures 45 feet high. So, gano'ng kalaki yun? Parang isang bahay na rin yun. Gano'ng kalaki yun? So, the largest sandcastle in the world is 54 feet. It took 168 trucks over a week to deliver enough sand for this carefully sculpted masterpiece. So, wow. Di pa ako nakagawa ng sandcastle sa beach kasi nga hindi pa ako nakakapunta ng beach. So, gusto ko rin makagawa ng ganitong sandcastle, but the mini one. But the largest sandcastle is 54 feet. Super laki. So, before we start, we have meron tayong scenario ngayon. So, commencing the lesson. Martha, Mary, and Naomi are about to take their recess inside their school canteen. So, let's eat cause I'm starving. What do you guys have for snack? So, ayan. So, I have squash flower pie. What's a squash flower pie? Is it safe to eat? So, flowers have traditionally been used in many types of cooking. One of the safest edible flower that can be eaten is squash flower. Wow, there's sure a lots of things to know about plant parts that can be eaten as food. So that's our mini scenario. So flower, squash. So that's edible. That's edible. We can eat flowers that can be edible. May mga flowers that are edible, merong hindi. So, squash flower is one of the edible plants or flowers that we can eat. So, yan. Plants may be directly eaten when cooked. Some foods are indirectly delivered from plant parts. Seeds. Majority of all foods consumed by human beings are seeds. Edible seeds are classified into cereals. So, legumes and nuts. Seeds are good source of energy and have a good protein levels. They have vitamin E and minerals. Seeds also provide cooking oils, spices, and beverages. So, maraming uses ang seeds natin. We use seeds to plant trees. So, meron tayong mga dragon seeds, mga squash seeds, sunflower seeds na edible. So, they have a good protein levels and good source of energy, and they have vitamin E and minerals. So, roots. The root is a part of the plant body that is found under the soil. So, some edible roots include cassava, carrot, turnip, beet, and horseradish. So, sweet potatoes are nutritious vegetable root. They are considered fat-free. So, you can eat sweet potatoes because they are fat-free. Cholesterol-free and sodium-free and with high levels of protein, fiber, and other vitamins and minerals. Sugar beet is an important root in making sugar. So, di ba yung mga sugar, yung mga nasa mga tubo. So, ayan, nakatikim na ako ng tubo. Super sarap, super tamis. Parang ang asukal talaga kasi nga, they are the basic ingredient to make a the sugar cane. So, yan. So, meron tayong mga plants na na-found in soil like sweet potatoes and carrot, turnip, beet, horseradish, and cassava. So, stems. So, stem that supports the plant and carries nutrients to the different parts. The sugar cane stems are a major source of sugar. Vegetables from stem are asparagus, kangkong, and gabi. So, yung mga stems, they are very used kapag nagluluto yung mga mami natin or nagluluto tayo like kangkong, gabi. So, ayan. They are a major source of sugar cane. So, they carry different nutrients na yung mga gulay. Lahat yan ay masusustansya. So, we also get cinnamon spice from the bark of a tree trunk and cellulose that is used as additives for bread, cheese, and processed food. So, may kulay yan kasi nung bata ako, mahilig ako magkulay ng book. So, cheese yan na may kulay yellow. So, we also get cinnamon spice from the bark of tree. Wow, nakakuha tayo ng ganon. Special kinds of stems that grow underground are called tubers. So, nag-grow sila sa underground. So, ganyan, itsura niya. Potatoes are considered tubers. The potato is now a very common food item and is grown in about 125 countries worldwide. So, potatoes are the main ingredient in French fries, in potato chips. So, ayan. So, favorite ko talaga ang potato. That's one of my favorite gulay. So, they are called tubers, that the special stems that grows underground. So, bulbs. Bulbs are the plant's underground storage part, the function of which is to store their nutrients to ensure the plant's survival. Its fleshy leaves that grow underground are the ones normally eaten. Onions, leeks, garlics, and shallots are example of edible bulbs. Pag sinabi natin edible, yun yung mga nakakain. So, onion, leeks, garlic, and shallots are example of edible bulbs. They are bulbs, and bulbs are plants' underground storage part. They are grow underground. So, ayan. Oops. Flower buds. Edible plants such as broccoli and cauliflower are varieties of cabbage in which the flowering phase of the plant is stopped early. The use of flowers as food dates back thousands of years ago. The squash flowers or blossoms were derived from the Hispanic culture, while patani and malunggay have become a part of Philippine vegetable dishes. So, malunggay. So, yung nakatikim na ba ng cauliflower? So, masarap yung cauliflower para sa akin. Yung broccoli medyo napapaitan ako. But they're healthy and very good daw. And it's nakaka-design ng chop suey. So, masarap sila. So, they are example of flower buds or edible plants such as broccoli are a variety of flowering phase that plant that is stopped early. So, fruit. A fruit of a plant is the edible. Fruits are the means by which flowering plants distribute seeds. Many foods are commonly considered as fruits but treated as vegetables in cooking, like the squash, cucumber, and tomatoes. These are hundreds of fruits like apples, bananas, oranges, peach, watermelon, and mango are commercially available for human consumption. They are the basic fruits that we can buy in markets and supermarkets. So, they're very good. So, lahat yan, bet ko. They're also used in beverages such as fruit juices, pineapple juice, orange juice, mango juice, grape juice, strawberry juice, melon juice, buko juice. So, yan. Some are found in manufactured food like cakes and pastries. Nakatingin mga carrot cake or fruit cake, they're good. They're both good. So, ayan, ang ating fruits. So, this is the end of our lesson. So, thank you. Have a great day and God bless. So, click the thumbs up button if you like this video. And leave a comment down below if you have suggestions, clarifications, and questions about our video. So, thank you. Have a great day and God bless. See you in my next video. Bye-bye!